Here is the key fob for your Kia Sedona. What we have to do is get this cover off. For that you need to get a small flathead screwdriver. If it's too thick it won't work. Put the screwdriver right over there where I'm putting and then give it a firm twist. And that's going to pop this cover off, and once it's off, that's the battery right there. And now use a screwdriver again to pry the battery out from the side where I'm showing. Right there. Pry it out from there and off it comes. It may take a few seconds, so be patient. The positive side of the battery is marked with a plus sign. The negative side has no markings. The battery size is CR2032. Check the link in description to buy the new battery from Amazon, and let's put it back in with the positive side facing upwards, and then put it in just the way I'm showing and then press it down. It'll lock in. That is good. Let's just try this out. See the small light that's blinking? That's good, which means it's working. Put this cover back on. It only goes on in one way. Press it down. Let's try this out. This is working good, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.